I know I just chickened out of that really cool campsite, but I've got another epic one for you guys. It's called MOONSCAPE Overlook, and it is out of this world. Hanksville, 93 miles. No services for the next 93 miles. Oh my. Okay. I think we've got a bunch of wild cattle up here. I've been seeing the signs and I've been seeing the cow poop on the side of the road. Hi, you guys. Oh shit, it's crossing the road. Do you see this cow? And do you see this amazing view? This cow is like, why are you stopping here? He went back to eating. This is gonna be an unforgettable trip. Do you see that? Do you see the layers? The layers of the different mountains and rock formations? This, to me, this is the best view. This is, we're back into the Glen Canyon National Recreational Area. I don't know what to say. The layers of mountains. This is the best right here. This road, this direction, at this time of day, with the sun starting to set, it was worth it to come this way. You never know what's around each turn, what kind of view you're gonna get. Oh, this is the Colorado. Wow. I wish I had side cameras so you guys could see. I know this video, there's a whole lot of oohs and ahs and beautifuls and epics and amazing and all of those words, but it really is. If you like scenic places, if you like different scenery from the everyday, wherever you live, this is the place to put on your list. Still have 64 miles. It's 4:25. Sun is still up. So it's gonna be close. Good thing I've already got something to eat for dinner. I don't really know if we passed through any towns between here and Dirty Devil River. You dirty devil. I don't know if there's going to be any grocery stores or gas stations, that kind of thing. I think we have to go through Hanksville. There's a town. Whether it's an actual town or not, though, I don't know. We'll see. I would do this drive like family, friends, anyone. If I brought anyone back up this way from the Monument Valley up until where I'm at now, I would do the same route, 100%. different terrain. It's different. I mean, do you wake up and drive in a place like this every day? No. Or most of us don't. Alright, I've got 13 miles, 24 minutes. But I don't think I have 24 minutes of daylight out there. We'll see. This campsite is similar to earlier, but it's like on a, it's a few steps down from there. It's not quite as high. And oh dang, there's another cow. You really have to be careful out here with these cows. I'm just hoping that there's gonna be someone up there camping, you know, like even if it's just one other person, that'll make me feel better versus being alone. So I think it's like up on one of these plateaus that we're driving around right now. So eventually we're gonna end up on top of one of these. I'm sure the sunset up there was pretty cool. However, I don't regret that we got to see the sunset hitting the canyons while going through Glen Canyon. Everything turned really gray. Like the rocks, the mountainsides aren't as red. It's not, I mean, it's pretty, but it's not as pretty. Well, we're approaching Factory Butte, and I'm rolling down this dirt highway. I'm gonna jar everything loose. Still don't see anyone. I don't know. I guess from where it's wintertime, no one's out. It's wintertime, middle of the week, no one's out adventuring. Well, at least there's still daylight. I've turned off on another road, and this is what I mean, like in the dark there's no way you would know where to go. This road is more rough than any of them that I've gone down all day today. We'll find out if it's worth it. I did pass one other van. It was a young lady by herself. She was out on the top of her van putting her drone up. It's a Factory Butte back there. Oh my goodness, I see 2 cows over here. What is up with all of these cows? Yeah, in the dark, I don't think you could really see the actual path to get out here. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. This is out by Factory Butte. This section right through here is what an adventure. I mean, I really can't go any slower. It says that I have another mile to go. Ah! I got things falling, hitting me on the head. It says I have another mile to go, but I don't know about that. Let's just hope that the GPS is correct. Well, I'm still at it. It says I've got a half a mile. I hope in this half a mile, I actually am okay if there is no one, but I hope in this half a mile I see a few cars out here. And okay, I feel a little bit more safe out here for whatever, maybe because the openness to it, whereas the space earlier wasn't as open. This looks tricky. Oh, I see car lights off in the distance. There are car lights out there. I think we're gonna do it. I think we're going to make it before it gets dark. I'm gonna have to spend an hour back there trying to get the vans back together. All right, this road is a little bit better. I don't know, maybe I went down some kind of side road. Look at this sky. I bet the stars tonight are gonna be pretty clear. There's a little bit of haze up there, but let's see. I don't think I have cell phone service out here. Oh. Y'all, don't stop watching. You gotta see if we make it. If there's actually like an end point to this road and something scenic. Because we're still gonna have just enough daylight so I can hop out and show you what we're working with. Alright, we got one other car out here. Out on the very end. They got a campfire going. I'm gonna pull in right here. Wait, you've got to see this. Well, I'll get out and I'll show you. All right, guys, made it. Made it. There are people out here just up the way there. They got a little music going, fire going. Whew. This is pretty cool too. It's so different from the other spot. It was a long day, and I'm really grateful. And today was memorable, and I hope you enjoyed it. I think I found some pretty cool spots, and it may not seem like much, but you know, pushing myself past my comfort zone and into new experiences, and just to my core doing things that I really love to do and prioritizing that. I don't know, it makes my heart feel good. Today was a really good day, and I'm glad that I could share it with you guys. I just again want to apologize. The sound quality, road noise, rattling, rolling, shaking, I'll do my best to try to minimize that, but just kind of my impromptu, spur of the moment deciding to start filming while I'm out on this adventure. Yeah, so I'm sorry. I can hopefully do better in the future, and again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna wrap it up here and see what we get into in the next one.